earlier today, I saw you in the hallway, and we started talking about your experience here in Curaçao. And you had mentioned something you did for someone here that really caught my attention. So I wanted you to share this again a little bit. Tell me a little bit about the experience, what happened, and the person that you had met.
So pretty much how it started is through one of my colleagues being at the hotel together, and he had to be going to like dental appointments. So the first time he called a taxi, the taxi lady came, and from since then I've been using her as a taxi driver, but she's doing it, she works for somebody. She has actually 2 kids, they go to school, very smart kids, and you know, just thinking about how, you know, things have been with the country for a while, and people have been losing jobs and business have been slow, and it's pretty rough for a lot of people. And she's such a kind person, so I decided to, you know, what I'm going to do for her is to give her her own vehicle.
Wow.
So that she could do her own business and support her family.
So the vehicle she was using was not hers?
It's not hers, she's working for somebody.
Okay, so that was a gesture of you to decide to purchase this vehicle.
To purchase the vehicle for her.
Okay,
Yes.
that is very lovely.
Yes.
And the reason why I thought this was so nice to share is because you all came from the US to help us here at CMC, which is already great. And then next to that, you're even giving more to our community.
Yes.
So we wanted to say thank you.
I appreciate that. And I'll keep doing that.
Thank you very much.
I like to give.
Yeah.
I got it from my mom.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay.
She gives. She cooks for everybody. When she cooks, if 100 people passes by, there's always food. I don't know how she does it. I always remember the scripture in the Bible where Jesus had the 5 loaves and fish and fed all these people. That's like my mom.
Wow, it sounds very Caribbean, doesn't it? Feed the neighborhood.
Feed the neighborhood.
Well, thank you very much, and thank you for being here in Curaçao.
You're welcome. And I look forward to continuing helping both at CMC and in the community.
Fantastic.
Yes.